oyster splitter viewers. I've been in the industry for about 20 years. The last 10 years or so, predominantly as a splitter. I've been here for just under 12 months. I first started splitting at Cameron's in Sorrel. Went to Ashmore for a bit and then started here just before Christmas last year. One of the other blokes that work is a good mate of mine. I sort of knew him. I came from butchery to start with, when I started. He got me into the seafood industry back when canned abalone was a big thing. I was just took the first option that was sort of local, nice and close to home, and just stayed in the industry because it's a nice stable industry, like it's job security's fine here, and always meet good people wherever you go, sort of the food industry. There's very stable employment. Fishing industry is also stable nowadays, so your job security's there. You know, it's all on the job, which is a good thing. You don't have to sort of worry about studying or anything. You get paid to learn here. Instead of having to fork money out to go and do courses or something, it's all on the job training. Sort of for what you do instead of how long you're here, so if you're willing to get in and have a go, you can make yourself a decent hourly rate. That's why I chose this side of the industry. So yeah, I definitely advise the youngster to get into it. Around about 40 an hour average, 40 dozen. Yeah, about 40 dozen an hour on average. Oh, daily. You've got to take the bad with the good.